just want to jump in by urging customers to understand their bill.
Yes.
Yes.
Demand is not as well understood as consumption charges, and they can be the majority of your bill, demand charges. And to have large decreases in your demand, we're not talking about having to do something over a lot of hours of the year. There is 1 hour of the year that makes your bill is, you're not paying the same amount of energy every hour of the year. You can reduce it in 10 hours of the year, 10 given hours of the year, and have a huge impact on your bill. So really, I'll leave it there, but really you should have give a good thought to understanding how you're getting charged for energy.
Yeah, check out your rate structure, understand what your demand charges are per kilowatt, find out what your monthly peak demand is, and you may find out that that peak demand is abnormal. It's not actually all the time, and you only hit that maybe a few hours a month. And to Nick's point of monitoring systems, if you verify room conditions, you might actually find out why that peak is happening, and maybe you can do something to flatten that load. So I'll hit on what Brendan said. Get in touch with your efficiency program administrators, because they can help talk you through the technical side of some of these strategies, and you can decide what's feasible for your operation. But ultimately, to Nick's point, it can save you a lot of money on your utility bills just from reducing demand. And it's part of the Massachusetts energy regulations for cannabis cultivation facilities. So
yeah, and not to make things even more complex, but they are more complex. A lot of cannabis facilities operate in space that perhaps is leased and maybe is on a single master meter, and they maybe pay to a landlord, like prorated on square footage or something. So it can be really hard to break through to what am I paying here? And if you're sharing a facility with another cultivator that's incurring massive peak demand charges, is that being passed down to you? So again, it goes to Brennan's point of like, it really does pay to spend a little bit of time to understand where you're at with your rate structure, what's available to you, how you're being billed, and the like.